In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Poker Club audio or sound not working. So we have a few solutions for you. Let's go ahead and go to our first solution. So for our first solution, we are going to suggest you to restart your game. So actually, before starting your game, we also suggest you to run it as administrator. So those are our first and second solution. So a simple restart can help you a lot, so try that and see if that solves your issue. If that doesn't work, we can go ahead and go to our third solution, which is to verify file integrity. So go ahead and open up your Steam and right click on your game and just go to properties, go to local files, go to verify integrity of game files, and that should do it. Our next solution is to check audio output device. So you want to ensure that you are using the correct output device you are currently using. So if you're using a headset, make sure that you are actually using your headset and not your speaker or any other device that currently located here, and check if that solves your issue. Our next solution is to check audio mixer. So here in your volume, just right click on it and go to open volume mixer. You'll be able to see a section here for your game. Ensure that it's not muted. Ensure that it's not muted and it's raised a significant level where you can actually hear the game. Once you've done that, just close this and check if that solves your issue. Our final solution here is to update your audio device. So to do that, go ahead and go to Windows Search and just type in Device Manager. And then from here, just locate sound, video, and game controllers, expand this, and locate your playback device or speaker or your headset. Just right click on it and just choose Update Driver. We suggest you to use the search automatically for drivers online, since Windows will search and install the driver for you. Hopefully this video was able to help you a lot. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.